Microsoft Surface Phone. Let's talk about it. Here they are. Microsoft's next generation Surface phones, if that's what you want to call them. Hopefully they're just called Surface devices, but okay. We'll go with Surface Phone for now. Surface Phone Pro. Surface Phone, I'm not sure, because there could be one more call to go. Since these are both metal, a smaller device, you can see by my hand how big it is. It's still a nice size device. It follows more of the format that phone users are accustomed to having, not quite as wide. I would not mind seeing this device a little wider, Microsoft. Let's flip it around. Hopefully the back's not too messed up with fingerprints. This is aluminum. So we have an aluminum frame here. Let's look at the real winner. Let's put this to the side. Let's look at the real MVP here. Right here, baby. Okay. I'm going to flip it over first because I know I'm going to be messing the back up. But let's take a look at this baby. Okay. We have volume up, down, power, and of course a camera button. Let's flip it around to the USB-C. Since we have an aluminum frame, we should have less issue with breaking. Okay, we're aluminum all the way around. Oh, look at there. We have us a headphone jack. Some people still like to have those headphones, you know. So this is a working device. I've yet to come up with schemes for how the UIs should look. I'm thinking maybe looking at a Metro UI look, kind of coming along from the Windows 10 mobile look. We're going to give these things a once over to see. Hopefully I'll have some more videos out soon showing the Surface Phone in action. Thanks for watching.